Okay, let's begin our class. First of all, welcome back to school. So, did you miss me during the vacation? This summer vacation, I went to Beihai. I went there with my friend. And also, I bought some really beautiful dresses. The food there was delicious. And everybody had a good time. And also, everything was excellent. So this is my summer vacation. From your parents' WeChat moments, I saw many of you also went on vacation. Would you like to share your vacation with me? Okay, you please. Question number 1, where did you go? And who did you go with? Did you go with anybody? Did you buy anything special? How was the food there? And also, did everyone have a good time? Okay, thank you for your sharing. How about the next student? How about you? All right, so please, very good answers. Actually, look at here. I went to Beihai. Why do I use went instead of go? That's right, because this is something that happened in the past. And we call it simple past tense. When we talk about simple past tense, we usually think about some specific words. For example, if there is yesterday in a sentence, and then we know it is time to use simple past tense. So could you please give me more words, just like yesterday, that show us it's time to use simple past tense? Great. We have last, blah, 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 and we'll also have blah, blah, blah ago, and also before, blah, 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 and just now. What is just now? Is it now? No. Just now means 刚刚. That is something happening in the past. Perfect. Now let's move on. I went to Beihai. How about you? Did you go to Beihai? No. Perfect. So for you, you didn't go to Beihai. Now my question is, just now we mentioned that when we talk about simple past tense, we need to change the verb into the past tense, right? We need to change the verb into past tense. And that's weird. In the negative sentence, we still use go. Why? Perfect. Because there is didn't. This word didn't already shows the past tense. So we use the basic form of go. So for the negative sentence, we add didn't before the verb, and we change the verb back into its basic form. Just now, when I asked the question, did you blah, 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 did you blah, 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 could anyone tell me the general questions in simple past tense, the structure of it? Exactly. We put did at the beginning of a sentence. And then we plus the basic form of the verb. And then we add the question mark. So it is the same. When you see did before a verb, we need to change the verb into its basic form. Pay attention to this. If I use did to ask a question, how do I answer it? Perfect? Yes. Somebody did. Somebody did. No. Somebody didn't. Just now, some students also used a sentence like this. Everything was, I'm sorry, okay, everything was great. In a sentence, there is a verb be. How do we change it into an active sentence? Great. We make was into wasn't. What if I want to make it a general question? Great. We move was to the beginning of the sentence. Wonderful. And the next sentence, if I want to say that, in 北海云朵都非常的漂亮. That's right. Clouds were beautiful. Clouds were beautiful. That's weird. We use were here instead of was. Why do we use were? That's right. Because clouds is plural. And now, let's move back to the sentence. Everything was great. Clouds is plural, which means everything is singular. Here comes to the next grammar, the next key grammar in this unit. 复合不定代词 indefinite pronouns. Words like everyone, someone, anyone, no one, everything, something, anything, and nothing. These words, they're called indefinite pronouns, and they were used as singular. So please write down the example. Everything is okay. Number 2, look at here. Buy anything special? Did you buy anything special? Oh, I bought something special. So what is the difference between any blah 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 and some blah 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 blah? This is something that we learned last semester. Great. We use any in active sentences and also in questions, but we use some in positive sentences. Wonderful. And number 3, look back at here. Did you buy anything special? Anything special? 一些奇特的东西，一些特别的东西。We put special after anything. Great. So number 3 is 复合不定代词在前，形容词在后。This is about the key grammar in this unit. And now please open your books and turn to page 3. Let's work on 3A and 3B. After finishing these practices, we will check the answers together.